showing off a few of my clocks. These clocks haven't been running in over 6 months because I had to paint my wall and my floor in this room is damaged, and I weigh quite a bit and it's gonna break on me. This clock here, I think it needs some bushing work. It runs and then it stops. This clock here is that regular 701 movement. You see how big that clock is? Let me get a tape measure. They should all be cuckooing right now. I got the I haven't got the minute hands adjusted just right. And like I said, this floor I'm walking on, I'm probably gonna end up breaking my neck. That's a nice clock. The only thing that's wrong with it is this piece of, this trombone or whatever you call it is broken. Hopefully that tape measure won't fall. You gotta add in about another inch because it should be on the rear wing, and it comes down to about 27 inches, so 28 inches in length and 18 inches in width. Now let's see how deep the clock is. It's about 9 inches deep, and this French clock is a pretty big clock. That French clock compared to this clock, it's a huge clock compared to all the other clocks I have on this wall. Like I said, it's got that regular 701 movement in it. And the clock was running until I had to rearrange all my clocks. So I can paint the wall. Hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up and may God bless.